Today I'm giving you 3 important tips to improve your pronunciation. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from Dr.Arshnoor's IELTS Institute. My first tip is follow a role model. It is shadow. Select a person who is authentic and accurate. Copy him. Shadowing him. Become a shadow of him. It may be a character in a series, movie, or he's an actor. Copy the way he or she speaks. Repeat his dialogues. Speak in the similar way as he speaks. Second is recording. Start recording your own voice by speaking small or long sentences. And let's see how it will help you. First, by finding your flaws, because self-evaluation is the best thing you can do. You will come to know about your stressed words and mispronounced words. You will also find mistakes in other areas like grammar, pauses, improperly spoken words, or if you are using any fillers or you are using some inaccurate words somewhere. So you'll come to know about that. And the most importantly, that is to listen to podcast of the native speakers. This is my third tip to you. The podcast that must be in the field you like. It's a field of your interest, of your choice. It could be drama, fiction, it may be storytelling, it may be gardening, it may be about sports or anything you like, because in this way you will enjoy while listening to it. It will be entertainment along with learning, and it will help you a lot to improve your pronunciation. Hope this video will help you to learn more and improve your pronunciation. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe it right now so that you should get the latest updates on our channel and get the notification whensoever we are uploading any new video. Do